Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to launch a pancake lottery bot. If you guys never been to pancakeswap, it has a lottery there, and basically you buy lottery tickets with cake. That's their the pancakeswap crypto, and it'll give you a random um, lottery ticket, or you can go there and pick the numbers you want for your lottery ticket. And that's where this bot comes in. Now, a little bit about how computers pick random numbers. So if you do a Google search and you go computer random, a little thing will ask right here, is computer truly random? And the answer is no. Computers pick random numbers based on mathematical formulas, which are not true random. Now, with pancakeswap lottery, it picks the random numbers based on the seed formula of the time the lottery is actually drawn. This bot, when I'm going to show you how to launch it and everything, it's going to be your contract you're going to launch on the BNB network, is going to look at the exact time that pancakeswap picks that lottery number using their seed formula, and will pick more accurate lottery tickets. Now, with this bot, I've won, I would say, I want to say 75% of the time. This is how much cake I have now. Each cake is, I think right now is, I want to say around $19, maybe 18 something. It's been amazing. The bot is just extremely accurate. Now on to how to launch your new contract. First you want to go to remix.ethereum.org, and I'll put the link down in the description. You're going to come to this page. You also want to make sure you have metamask installed, of course. That's going to interact with the remix.ethereum.org to launch the contract. You want to make sure you have some BNB in there and some cake, and I'll explain that in a little bit. You can come here to the File Explorer, and down here to this little guy here, create a new file. Click on him, and we'll just call it lottery.sol. We want to make sure it ends in .sol. And then I'm going to paste in the code. On this, for some reason, you're going to have to do a Control V to paste in. The right click paste does not work in this editor. And this is the part where you're going to have to set up the way you want it. So set level amount of tickets you want to buy each round. So where it says set level, that's this right here, that's how many tickets you want this bot to buy each time the lottery is drawn. So I think the lottery is drawn every 12 hours. So within a 12-hour period, how many tickets do you want to buy? Right now it's set to 1. That's the default. Just buys 1 ticket each round. And the payout, that means this I've never changed because why? There was no point in changing it. So on 1, it means it pays out the same day. So if you win something, it would pay out to the address that launches this contract the same day. So if you change that, I guess it'd wait 2 days before it paid out the winnings. I don't see any point in changing that. But you could set the level ups. Of course, the higher the level, the more chance you have of, the more tickets you bought, the more chance, of course, you have of winning. I have one contract running that buys 10 tickets each round. And each ticket is about 1/4 of a cake. So you can change that if you want to, or just leave the default, and I'll leave this code in a link to the GitHub of this code in the description, so you can grab this code, just a copy and paste, very easy. And then you can go over to here, the compiler, and this automatically sets to 0.8.7, and you want to change that because we have the compiler code right here, the version we need. So we're going to click on this. I'm going to move it down to the correct one, which is 05.17. Click on there and go click on the compile lottery.sol. And if you get a green check mark, that means everything was correct. Go over here and change the environment to inject Web3. And it should automatically has this address in. Now, if you've never connected with the remix.ethereum.org, as you do this, it would pop up and ask you for permission to connect to your MetaMask, to that address, to your address. And take note that whatever address launches this contract is the address all the winnings from the lottery will be paid out to. So take note of that. And then after that, you just go to deploy. And you're going to have to pay a tiny bit of gas money, not very much, to deploy it. And when the contract goes through, you'll see deployed contracts down here. Oh, automatically went through right there. And it's right here now. There's your contract. Now this is your contract, or the one you launch will be. This one's actually my contract, but when you launch it on yours, this will be your contract down here. And your contract will have its own, and you have a little copy button here. This is the address to your contract. So, this is where it comes in about the cake and the BNB. You're going to have to send your contracts in BNB. So I usually send mine about 0.1 BNB is usually enough for gas to run this contract for a long, long time. So go to next. We're going to send it some BNB. that goes through, we're going to have to wait for that to go through. Okay, so the BNB's in there. So now we need to send us some cake because we need to use the cake to buy the tickets. So depending on how long you want this contract to run and how many, of course, the level you set in here is depending on how much cake you want. So let's go paste the contract address, and we're going to send, let's say, since this one is for set level of 1, if I send it 10 cakes, that means it would last, I think 5 days, because each 12 hours is a drawing. So that would last 5 days of the lottery with 10 cakes. So let's go ahead and do that. Confirm. Okay. Now that's confirmed, we need to go activate our contract. And so you're in here. So you're right here. So you have a little thing right here to drop down the controls of your contract, and you have an action button. Now you can click on action, and go to confirm. And let's see when that goes through. Okay, that means your contract is now running. And let's say you've ran through your 5 days and you want to put more in there. You could just go through the steps again by sending more BNB there and more cake there, and then just hit the action button again and each time you hit the action button, it actually restarts your contract. So it's just like hitting a reboot on the computer, and it just restarts it. So you can always add more cake and more BNB to the same contract and just hit the action button after you add the more BNB and more cake to your contract to restart it. You don't have to go through and create a whole new contract or anything. And this contract will always be yours, and it will always be on the blockchain. So I hope I helped some people out. All the links and everything to all the code and everything will be down in the description. Please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and having a great day. Thank you.